Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I build a fully automated voice AI receptionist for a nail salon using Retell AI and N8N. No code required. This agent answers phone calls, book appointments, reschedules, cancels, and even answers FAQ, all through natural voice conversations. Whether you're an automation geek or a salon owner tired of missed calls, this system is going to blow your mind. I will walk you through every flow inside Retail, and then we will build a powerful backend automation using N8N and Cal.com. Let's dive in.
Hi, thank you for calling Liley Studio. My name is Chloe. How can I assist you today? Are you looking to book an appointment, ask about our services, or is there something else I can help with?
I have a few questions.
Of course.
Where are you guys located?
We're located at 5196 A Park Avenue in Montreal. That's in the Myland area. Is there anything else you'd like to know, like our hours, services, or maybe parking info?
Yeah, is there any issue of the parking around the salon?
Parking is usually available on Park Avenue and the nearby side streets, but I'd recommend checking the signs just to be sure. Is there anything else you'd like to know, maybe about our services or hours?
Are you guys working on Sunday as well?
We're actually closed on Sundays, but we're open Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Is there anything else you'd like to ask about, like our services or pricing?
No, thank you. I would like to book an appointment actually.
I'm glad I can help. Would you like me to help set up your appointment now? If so, could you please tell me which service you're interested in and your preferred date and time?
Yes, I would like to book an appointment.
Great. Can I have your first name, please?
Yeah, my name is Mohammed.
Thanks, Mohammed. What service would you like to book? We offer manicures, pedicures, nail extensions, gel nails, and nail art.
I would actually get your nail art for my wife.
Got it, nail art for your wife. What day and time would you like to book the appointment?
You have an availability of next Thursday at 5 p.m.
Let me check the availability for next Thursday at 5 p.m. for nail art. Please hold on just a moment.
All right, thank you. So sure.
Oh, I'm sorry, we don't have availability at 5 p.m. next Thursday. Would you like to try a different time or maybe another date?
Sure. Do you have an availability on Wednesday at 3 p.m.?
Let me check for Wednesday at 3 p.m. One moment, please.
Sure.
All right, let me check if we have an opening for you on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Please
Sure.
hold on just a moment.
Sure.
Perfect. We do have an opening on Wednesday at 3 p.m. for nail art. Could you please give me your email and phone number to complete the booking?
Yeah, it's the phone number is 263-310-9010, and my email is ambient081@gmail.com.
Awesome. Your appointment is all set for Wednesday at 3 p.m. You'll get a confirmation email soon. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, it's all good. Appreciate your help. Thank you.
Thank you so much for calling Lily Studio, Mohammed. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Bye. So here's what our AI receptionist is capable of. Greet callers professionally, answers FAQ like hour, services, pricing, parking, or anything else. Books new appointment by collecting name, service, date, and time. Cancels or reschedule existing bookings. And then sends the data to N8N, which handles confirmation, calendar syncing, sheets logging, and staff notification. This is optional. I haven't done this in a demo version. All of this runs 24/7 and completely voice controlled. First, head over to retellai.com and create new agent. Give your agent a name. In my case, I called it Lily Studio after the salon. Next, we create a system prompt to give our AI its tone, knowledge, and instruction set. Now, I'm not going to read the whole thing here, but in short, this prompt tells the AI how to speak, what the salon's hours are, the location of the salon, what services are offered, and how to respond when the answer is unknown or outside its scope. And to make it even smarter, I added the Lily Studio website to the knowledge base. This allows the AI to automatically pull up to date info about the services, policies, and pricing. Now let's walk through the four main flows inside the retail. The welcome note is triggered when someone calls. Here's what the agent says. Hi, thank you for calling Lily Studio. My name is Chloe. How can I assist you today? Are you looking to book an appointment, ask about your services, or something else? Using the intent detection, Retell then routes the call based on the caller response either to booking, to FAQs, reschedule, or cancel. If a caller says, I want to book, the conversation continues. The agent first asks for the caller's name. After receiving the name, we use an extract variable node to store that value. Then the agent asks what services the caller wants, either manicure, pedicure, gel nails, or etc. Again, we extract the service using the extract variable node. Now, if at this stage the caller asks additional questions like procedure, pricing, we route them into the FAQ flow and then return them to the booking flow afterward. Once the service is confirmed, the agent asks for the prepared date and time. To check if the time is available, we use cal.com availability function, which I have already explained in the previous tutorial, link in the top right corner of this video. If no availability is found at the requested time, the agent asks, is there any other time and date that works for you? And if the availability is found, the agent moves forward and asks the caller's phone number and email to send the confirmation. We then use a cal.com booking function to finalize the appointment. Once everything is confirmed, the agent says, your appointment has been booked. You will receive the confirmation shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with? If the caller says no thanks or no or decline or refuse, the agent politely says goodbye and ends the call. Now, moving forward, if a caller asks something like, what are your hours? How much is your manicure? Where are you guys located? Do you take walk ins? Or any other questions related to the services or the salon, the agent switches to the FAQ flow. Here, answers come from the combination of the knowledge base and some short phrases added in the system prompt. There is no need to call N8N for these. The AI handles them instantly and naturally. Nothing else complicated need to happen in this flow. If a caller says, I want to cancel my appointment, Retell detects the intention and routes to the cancel flow. And this is how it works. The agent asks, may I ask why are you canceling your appointment? The reason. After the caller shares the reason, the agent then asks for their name and phone number to identify the booking. These two pieces of data are sent to N8N using a custom function node, which we created in Retell. In N8N, the appointment is looked up and cancelled. Once confirmed, Retell says your appointment has been cancelled. Is there anything else I can help you with? If the caller says no, the call ends. Otherwise, we route them to the FAQ flow again. The reschedule flow is very similar to the cancel flow. If the caller says, I want to change my appointment, the date, time, or anything, the agent again asks for the name and phone number. This data is again sent to N8N where booking is identified. Then the agent asks, what time and date would you like to reschedule to? Again, cal.com is used to check availability, and if available, we book the new appointment. The old one can either be auto cancelled or updated via Cal API. This agent then confirms the new booking. Let me quickly explain how we set up a custom function in Retell. We named it cancel reschedule and pointed it to our N8N webhook URL. We defined two parameters, name and phone number. Both we put it as a data type string. Once the caller provides this data, the function triggers and the request is sent to N8N. N8N does the backend logic, cancels or updates the appointment, sends a telegram notification, update sheets, and return confirmation. Again, this is option. I didn't do this in the demo version of this tutorial. And there you have it, a full voice AI receptionist for salons, built using Retell AI and N8N. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a real practical solution you can offer to nail salons, hair salons, spas, clinics, auto service shops. I will be sharing the full JSON, prompt templates, and function note in the Facebook community group, link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you would like to see a similar setup for restaurants, real estate agents, or doctors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.